And that is our ranch dressing. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are doing a recipe which I keep in an airtight container and I use it up every 3 months, so it's perfect. We're going to make a dry ranch dressing mix, and then you combine it all and I'll show you how to make a ranch dressing. Now, a dry ranch dressing mix is very, and I mean very similar to Hidden Valley dry ranch dressing mix. So it's straightforward. It's a case of mixing it all together and then we'll mix up a ranch dressing. Okay, in here I've got powdered milk powder. And if you watched the video the other day, you know that we dry our own onions and everything, so I've got dried onions and we'll do that in a minute. Okay, milk powder. We're going in there with dried parsley. Now that's a straightforward mix. This is chuck everything in. Pepper. Now they would use dry dill weed, or you could substitute it for fennel, cracked fennel. Fennel has more or less the same flavour. I'm using fennel. This is onion and garlic powder, and we have our dry onion flakes. And now it's a case of let's just mix it all together. Now give it a good mix. So that's it. That's exactly the same dry ranch dressing mix that you would find in a packet. And what we need to do, we need to store that in an airtight container, and it stores up to 3 months. And then I'll show you how to make a ranch dressing. So for the ease of this, I'm just going to put this in a Ziploc bag and then I'll transfer it to a container later. So that is our packet mix there. Same as you would have any packet mix. Right, okay, a very quick ranch dressing. Okay, we've got a cup of mayonnaise in there. This is how to make a fantastic ranch dressing very quickly. Okay, this is buttermilk. Now you can make a lovely ranch dressing with sour cream and mayonnaise. So I'm going in there with our buttermilk. I'm just going to give that a little mix through. That'll do. So are we ready for this? This is simplicity. 1 heaped tablespoon of our dry ranch dressing mix. Now I go a little bit more because I like a little bit stronger flavour. So I'm going 1.5 tablespoons. You don't have to, just do the tablespoon. And that's it. Mix in. And that is our ranch dressing. Come on, how easy is that? What does it taste like? It tastes like ranch dressing. Now you can add salt in there if you want, a little pinch of salt, that's up to you. I don't put the pinch of salt in my ranch dressing mix because I use that ranch dressing mix in an awful lot of things. You know, you can put it in with beef powder and everything, and you can end up with a nice beef gravy. So I don't add the salt. Now if you think you want salt in there, put salt in. Salt to taste. That is fantastic. Now all the dry ingredients in there need to melt together with all the wet ingredients. So just leave it in the fridge covered over or in a bottle or anything like that. Leave it for about an hour or so, and all those flavors are going to come into there. That's ranch dressing made. Easy as that. That is a fantastic simple mix. It's so easy. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.